Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the LC in the chapter People as a Resources. The first question, population become dash when there is investment made in the form of education, training and medical care. The options are A. Liabilities, B. Human capital, C. In depth and D. None of the above. So according to the chapter, when the population become uh, human capital, when we invested in the form of education, training and medical care. The next question, what is a virtuous cycle? The virtuous cycle, when the family invested, or we can say the parents invested with the maid on her education and health in the children, can yield high return in the future in the form of higher earning and greater contribution to the society. So educated parents are found to be invest more heavily on education of their children, and this is because they have realized the importance of education for themselves, and they have also conscious about the proper nutrition and hygiene. They accordingly look after their children need for education at school and good health. So a virtuous cycle is thus created in the case. The next question, the government incentive that aim the elementary education in the age group of 6 to 14 year, that is options are midday meal scheme, B. Navodaya Vidyalay, C. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, D. Detained learning. The right answer for this is the options C, that is Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. The next, what do you understand by the primary sector? And there are in the economic there are the three sectors, that is primary, secondary and tertiary sector. The primary sector related to the agriculture, that is include the forestry, animal husbandry, fishing, poultry farming, mining, etc. Thank you. Next question, question number 5. In the question given below, there are two statements marked as a assent and reason. Read the statement in the choose the correct option. The assent, a young generation prefer the vocational training, and reasons are vocational education provide the skill based education which lead to a ready employment. The options are both A and R are true. R is a correct explanation of A. B, A, R are true but R is not a correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. D, A is false but R is true. The correct answer is option A, that is A. Both A are true. R is a correct explanations of A. The next question, why is human resources important for development? The the answer for this is, when human resources further develop by becoming more educated and healthy, it's called human capital formation, and that aid productivity power of the country, just like physical capital formations. So investment in the human capital through education, training and medical care yield return in the investment in physical capital. Or we can say that human capital is one way superior to other resources and make the use of other resources and cannot become its own resources. So the advantage of human resources is that the educated, healthier, better trained people get better job and higher income, and improving the standard of life. Not only do more educated and healthier people through the higher income records, but the society also can gain. The explain the uh, three main feature of the 10th 5-year plan. The three main feature of the 10th year plan is the two reductions in the poverty ratio, access to primary education, raising the literacy rate, declining the infant mortality rate and mortality, raising the employment growth, etc. Now, what is the virtuous cycle? How it is created? We already discussed the virtuous cycle in which the people are educated parents can take care of their children, and it is created by investing by the through the education and health care in their children. Explain the two factor on which the quality of population depend. The quality of population depend upon the education and health. Thank you.